You've got a bunch of lunatics that are sitting there and all proclaiming presidency. Lusufi, ai, Fikile, daar's 'n ander woord wat ek vir hom het. Kaboutertjie. But Fikile suddenly got inspiration. They probably gave him an inspired vodka Lucasade because hy wil ook nou president raak, die mal ding. And then we've got the president, vice, incumbent, whatever you call him. And it's funny, Prince, he doesn't have to be asked here about the ANC's criminal offences. He's got 7 dockets he's carrying currently. Ek weet nie waar dit donder hy dit wegsteek nie, but we know it's there. So, 27 is the marker. ANC conference is the marker. A huge marker before 2029. I'm not worried about 29. We need to get past December 2027 because it will then show the trajectory which way we are going in this country. GNU or no GNU.